What would you do if you knew you only had a 30% chance of success? Most would walk away. But Jeffrey Preston Bezos isn't most people. In 1994, he sat in a Wall Street office, looking at a statistic that would change his life. The internet was growing at 2,300% a year. To everyone else, it was a novelty. To Jeff, it was a signal. This is the story of a man who didn't just build a store, but a machine that redefined how the world works, from the depths of our doorsteps to the edge of space.
Born in 1964 to a teenage mother, Jeff's life began with resilience. His stepfather, Miguel Bezos, a Cuban immigrant, instilled in him the value of hard work. But the spark of genius came from his summers at his grandfather's ranch in Texas. There, Jeff learned resourcefulness, fixing tractors, castrating cattle, and solving problems without a manual. At Princeton, he wanted to be a theoretical physicist, but a humbling moment in a math class taught him his first great lesson. Know your limits, then pivot. He graduated in electrical engineering and computer science, heading straight for the heart of global finance, Wall Street.
Jeff was the youngest senior VP at D.E. Shaw, making a fortune. But the regret minimization framework haunted him. He asked, "When I'm 80, will I regret leaving this job? No. Will I regret missing the internet? Yes." He quit. He and his wife Mackenzie drove across the country while Jeff typed a business plan for an online bookstore. Why books? Because they were easy to ship and there were millions of titles. In a garage in Bellevue, Washington, using old doors as desks to save money, Amazon.com was born. He warned his parents their $300,000 investment had a 70% chance of vanishing. They invested anyway.
By 1997, Amazon went public, but then came the year 2000, the dot-com crash. Stocks plummeted. Critics called it Amazon toast. Bezos remained calm. His secret? Relentless customer obsession. While others focused on stock prices, Jeff focused on shipping speeds and lower prices. He didn't just want to sell books, he wanted to sell everything. He launched Kindle to disrupt his own book business before someone else could. He launched AWS, Amazon Web Services, turning the company's internal infrastructure into the backbone of the entire internet. He wasn't building a retailer, he was building a utility. Success at Amazon gave Jeff the FU money to pursue his childhood dreams. In 2000, he founded Blue Origin. While Elon Musk looked to Mars, Bezos looked to the moon and orbital colonies. He wanted to move heavy industry off-planet to save the Earth. In 2013, he bought the Washington Post for $250 million, cash. He took a legacy newspaper and injected it with the Amazon Day One philosophy. This proved that even the oldest industries could be saved with the right technology and long-term thinking. Jeff Bezos is often polarizing. He's been called a cold-blooded corporate titan and the world's worst boss by critics. Yet his impact is undeniable. In 2021, he stepped down as CEO to become executive chairman, focusing on the Bezos Earth Fund and space exploration. His philosophy is simple. It is always day one. Day two is stasis. Day two is irrelevance. Day two is death. By staying in day one, Bezos ensures that the spirit of that 1994 garage never dies. He didn't just change how we shop, he changed how we think about scale, speed, and the future of our species.